We've been preparing for the cold weather, just not quite this soon. Well, it looks like we're going to get an early frost. I might get lucky enough that it just misses me, but there's 8 or 9 states that's an early freeze or early frost. I hope you got your cold frames and your protection up. Now, the few things that we are going to go ahead and overwinter, like this Swiss chard, it'll take the cool weather, so I'm not even worried about that. Plants like our basil, they're not going to take the cold at all. If it gets down to 32, they're gone. Same thing with our king okra. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 9 flowers up there, 2 right there that need to come off, 2 more back there, 1 up there. It'll be very disappointing if we lose this. And here I thought we had most of the beans picked. They hide in here pretty good. Looks like I got a few hidden in here. We'll be out here well after dark picking beans again tonight. But that's because it's getting dark earlier. And here's a little tip. If you come out here with a flashlight, these actually show up better under flashlight light in the dark than they do in the daytime. And I can't believe our loofah is just really kicking in right now. Well, we'll see what we get. We're going to be able to bring in quite a little bit, but I'm not prepared for this cold weather, even though I planned for it. That's gardening for you. And it was cool enough last night, this Carolina Reaper is starting to look a little yellow. But we got quite a few red ones. I found a recipe. I'm going to go ahead and make some jelly in the next couple days. But probably tomorrow, I hate to do it, but we may go ahead and prune this back and get her in containers and bring them up to the house. I keep saying the hardest thing you're ever going to do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. But when you have a deep mulch garden and you have such abundance and you've been so blessed, now I think the hardest thing I'm going to do is triage. Find out what we can actually keep, what we can bring in before it actually gets cold. I'm hoping we miss this first frost because I'm not prepared. Now that's gardening for you. For those of you in the frost areas, cover your tender plants. For those of you in the freeze areas, bring in what you can. Season's just about over. But you know what that means? Winter gardening, extreme gardening, and I hope you join me for that. But the season only lasts so long, and we've stretched it just about as far as it'll stretch. We might be able to get another pull on that rubber band. Don't know. Well, we might have to make some green tomato chow chow. We got tons of little green tomatoes all over these. Well, that's gardening for you. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.